Greetings everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial and demo session. I'm excited to present to you the Genqiz bot application, a versatile tool designed to create AI chatbots for a multitude of purposes. With Genqiz, you can train chatbots to assist with various tasks such as customer support, educational purposes, or streamlining business processes. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's dive into the steps to kickstart your chatbot creation journey. Step 1. Getting started. To begin, head over to the Genqiz homepage at genqiz.com or simply click on the link displayed on your screen. Once you're on the platform, log in using your Google account credentials. Then, navigate to the GenBots section located on the top left corner of your screen. Click on the Create button situated on the top right corner to initiate the creation of your very first chatbot. A form will pop up prompting you to enter essential information about your chatbot. Fill in the details such as the bot name, indicating the function of your bot. Choose the desired response length. I recommend medium. Provide a description and outline guidelines for your chatbot. Hit the Create Chatbot button to proceed. Step 2. Training your bot with AI. Now that you've created your bot, it's time to train it with artificial intelligence. You can train your bot by providing it with training data. There are several ways to do this. You can upload a PDF, DOC, DCX, or TXT file containing relevant data. Alternatively, you can input a website URL to extract data from. For a more structured approach, you can use a FAQ file in CSV format with a question-answer structure. Lastly, you have the option to manually input text. For this demonstration, let's train our chatbot using Genqiz FAQ and a web page link. Ensure your data is well prepared and accurate for optimal performance. I have prepared a simple FAQ web page with structured questions and common answers. Please ensure that your input data is thorough and accurate, as this is crucial to ensuring your chatbot operates perfectly. Copy the link and paste it into the input box to provide data for training. This process may require some waiting time. Once you've provided the training data, the bot will undergo training. This process may take some time depending on the volume of data. I will ask a general question about Genqiz that I mentioned in my input document and see how the bot responds. You can test with more questions to ensure that the bot functions well and provides accurate answers. Step 3. Configuring your bot. After training, it's time to configure your bot. You can customize its settings, appearance, and other details to align with your preferences. Navigate to the Settings section to make necessary adjustments. Step 4. Integration. Finally, it's time to integrate your chatbot into your desired platform. Whether it's a website, Telegram bot, or WordPress site, Genqiz offers seamless integration options. For this demonstration, we'll integrate the bot into a WordPress website. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the integration process. Select Create and enter your website information. You will be provided with a token and inbox ID for integration. Create a WordPress integration here for use. Navigate to the WordPress admin page. After installing the Genqiz plugin, all you need to do is enter the token and inbox ID information into the Genqiz plugin, select Save Changes, and use it. Now let's try testing with some simple questions to see how the chatbot works. You can test with more questions to ensure that the bot functions well and provides accurate answers. Once integrated, your chatbot is ready to assist users and streamline processes. In conclusion, Genqiz offers a powerful solution for creating and deploying AI chatbots, providing numerous benefits for businesses and users alike. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial and demo. Stay tuned for more exciting content in our next video.